morning, everyone. So we're going to present the meta-analysis on ICT-based education in Singapore. So I'm Ara Pinazo.
I'm Joanna Salcedo.
And I'm Christine Joy Emila.
So we present our abstract. This study examines students' attitude towards the use of information and communication technology in a problem-based learning environment in Singapore. It aims to evaluate the perceived use and usefulness of ICT and how these factors impact students' overall engagement and attitudes toward technology in education. The research utilized quantitative methods, including statistical analysis such as mean, standard deviation, non-Bayes-Alpha, and person correlation to assess the correlation between ways of use, usefulness, and attitudes towards ICT. Finding indicates that students generally have positive perceptions of ICT with a mean scores of 3.72 for ease of use and 3.75 for usefulness, while attitude towards ICT scored slightly lower at 3.54. Correlation analysis reveals that both perceived ease of use are equal 0.65 and perceived usefulness are equal 0.74, significantly influence students' attitudes towards ICT. With useful having a stronger effect, the study concludes that while ICT is valued for its efficiency and benefits, there remains an opportunity to enhance students' emotional engagement and enthusiasm for using technology in learning environment. So here's our introduction. In recent years, information and communication technology has become very important in education around the world. In Singapore, ICT has changed how teachers teach and students learn. Schools use digital tools and online resources to improve education. Singapore has introduced 4 ICT master plans over the last 20 years to keep up with change and prepare students for future jobs. According to Lee H. Nuzaki H. and Umidaki et al., the implementation of the master plan for ICT in Singapore has greatly benefited the students as well as the teachers. Singapore has an outstanding development and improvement in their educational system. This success is shown by the Ministry of Education's goal to include technology in learning by making it an important part of their education system. Research indicates that while some students thrive in enhanced environments, others struggle, particularly those from disadvantaged backgrounds, live in China 2020. Consequently, understanding the multifaceted impact of ICT-based education in Singapore is crucial for informing future policy and for peace.
Next is the statement of the problem. This study aimed to assess students' attitude to use ICT in a problem-based learning environment in Singapore. Specifically, it sought to answer the following questions. What is the impact of the perceived ease to use of ICT on students' overall attitudes toward using technology in their learning environments? Next is, what is the effect of the perceived usefulness of ICT on students' engagement and we set goals derived from past research findings to gain an insight into attitudes of students toward the use of ICT. So, this is an interpretation table. The interpretation table outlines the level of agreement regarding ICT integration, categorized into specific numerical ranges. This structure approach enables a detailed evaluation of perspectives within Singapore schools by assigning interpretation from strongly agree to strongly disagree. The table effectively highlights the spectrum of attitudes toward ICT adoption. So range 1 to 1.99 strongly disagree,